What is going on, guys? OmniProxies here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your hands on the Nike Sacai collaboration. That was pretty damn loud. So the Nike Sacai collaboration is set to release tomorrow, May 30th at select retailers. We have two shoes in this collection. We have the Waffle and we have the Blazer. You can see them right here. Honestly, guys, I think both shoes look really good and they're both definitely gonna have resale. Just like we have with the Waffles, there are two colorways in this collection. First, we have the blue colorway and the yellow colorway. First, we're gonna start out with the Waffle and then we'll move into the Blazer. So the Sacai Waffles are coming in two different colorways, both at a retail of $155. And based off the past releases, as we saw they released in Europe a couple weeks ago, I would put resale somewhere around $300 to $400. And for the green colorway, I would put resale somewhere around $280 to maybe like $320. I don't think it's gonna do as good as the blue colorway, unfortunately, but there still is profit to be made. I do like the blue colorway, it's pretty dope, but it's just not really my style of shoe. Now that we got that out of the way, let's move on to the sites releasing these. Now, both of these shoes are gonna release at the same stores at the same time, so I'm only gonna say them once, obviously. So just keep that in mind. Also, guys, like I do with all my release guides, you're gonna be linked down in the description below to a site list. It's gonna have every store releasing every time, just all that good stuff. Because I am recording this video a couple days before, so it might not be up to date completely. So just check down below for the most updated source. So starting us off at 9 AM EST, we have social status. This is going to be a Shopify site, guys, so you will be able to do the Shopify jig. I'll link that down in the description below so you guys can check that out. There's not too much to say about social status. You don't have to have an account to check out, but if you are going manual, I'd probably recommend you have an account just so they have your information already saved. Next up at 10 AM EST, we have Kith. You guys probably know how this goes. It is a Shopify site, so you can do the Shopify jig, but bots pretty much eat Kith like crazy. Like, if you don't have a bot, you're probably not copping. Also at 10 AM EST, we have Nike sneakers. I would probably prioritize this over Kith if you don't have a bot, just because like if you don't have a bot on Kith, it's not happening. There's not too much to say about it really. Just get as many phones as you can. Try to have no more than 3 phones on the same IP. Make sure you have a different credit card, a different payment method for every account, and just get really lucky pretty much. Moving on to 11 AM EST, we have Dover Street, New York. Honestly, guys, this is really tough for you manual users. You can't do the Shopify jig because there's this password page, so really you just gotta have autofill set up and just be as fast as you can. Also at 11 AM EST, we have Concepts. This is also a Shopify store, so you'll be able to do the Shopify jig. You will need an account to check out, so if you're running a bot or you're going manual, you definitely need an account. Now that's pretty much it for the stores releasing now, guys. This is definitely set to change, and there's probably gonna be more added. Just check the site list down in the description below for more information. Moving on to the Sacai Nike Blazer. Coming in at a retail price of $140. I'm gonna put resale somewhere around $400 to $450. It's honestly a pretty dope shoe, and I could definitely see it being a good long-term hold. The yellow colorway is also coming in at a retail price of $140. And based off the current prices right now, I'm gonna put resale somewhere around $400 to $450. I think both colorways are gonna do really good, and I would just cop as many pairs as you can, honestly. It's gonna have resale. So this is actually gonna be the worldwide release, so we're gonna have quite a few more stores than the Waffle. So I'm not gonna go over every single store just for the time's sake of this video. You can check the link down in the description below. Starting us off at 3 AM EST, we have Foot Patrol. Honestly, guys, not too much to say here. Have an account made, be as fast as you can and hope you get through queue. It's pretty rough, honestly. I've never copped on Foot Patrol. There's not really too much to say about it. Also at 3 AM EST, we have Nike EU. Unfortunately, guys, if you're outside of EU, you're gonna need a reshipper. Just like with Nike Sneakers US, just have as many phones as you can, have as many accounts, different payment methods, jig your address, and all that good stuff. Moving on to 6 AM EST, we have DSML. This is just like Dover Street Market, New York, but it's in London. I don't think they ship worldwide. It really just depends on the release. Some they do, some they don't. I would just recommend having autofill set up, just being as fast as you can. Honestly, guys, bots are gonna eat DSM, so just good luck. Moving on to 8 AM EST, we could potentially see Undefeated. Now, as you guys probably know, if it's not at 8 AM, it will be random. I think they're probably gonna drop at 8 AM, but I don't know for sure, it's not confirmed. Moving on to 10 AM EST, we have Kith. Just like I said with the Waffles, it's gonna be pretty tough for you manual users to cop. I would just recommend having autofill set up, doing the Shopify jig, and just being as fast as you can. Also at 10 AM EST, we have Nike sneakers. I would probably prioritize that over Kith for your manual users, just because you probably like have more of a chance at Nike sneakers, but that's still gonna be pretty damn hard. And last but not least, we have DSM NY at 11 AM EST. Just like I said with the Waffles, I keep saying that, but it's gonna be a pretty tough release. Have autofill set up. You can't do the Shopify jig, unfortunately. Just be as fast as you can, really. It's gonna be pretty hard for your manual users to cop. That is pretty much it for all the sites releasing, guys. Like I said before, there's a site list in the description below. It has everything you need to know. If you guys have any questions or anything, throw them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to help you guys out. Also, be sure to follow my Twitter at unlimited_cop. Shoot me a DM if you have any questions or whatever, and or you just want to talk or anything. I'm pretty lonely. Don't have any friends. So just DM me. Also, be sure to follow my Instagram down in the description below. I'm trying to hit like 200 followers, guys. Just help me out. I post like a bunch of stuff in my story, and like I'm trying to post more photos. Just follow it. Check out my secret group, Unlimited Cook, down in the description below also. If I helped you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content, and definitely check out some of my other videos. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.